Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. In this video I'm going to reveal you guys how you could make $500 according to day on YouTube without making films. So if this is something which you are interested in, make certain to look at this video till stop, because that is going to be outstanding video. And earlier than we jump straight into this video, ensure to press the subscribe button because we launch day-by-day films on this channel on the way to make money online and a way to make money on YouTube so that you don't need to miss that out. So ensure to offer subscribe button so men permits jump instantly into this video. Let's now not waste any time. So initially what you want to do is you need to create or make a YouTube channel. So it is actually easy to create a YouTube channel if you already are on YouTube. If you are watching motion pictures on YouTube, then there's 99 afraid that you have already got a YouTube channel. And if you do not have one, simply move on Gmail and create a clean new Gmail account. And after that you are going to have a YouTube account after you're executed. With what you want to do is you need to pick the form of videos that you need to put up. And in this example I am going to show you guys how you may make cash on YouTube posting TikTok videos. So basically TikTok is an app that there are people which are surely developing content that is essentially around 10 seconds or something like that. That is basically something just like wine. So essentially what you are going to do is you'll find TikTok films and you're going to create compilations and you'll post them on your channel. So that is one and all the success channels that am in reality going to expose you guys a way to create so that you can cross in this channel. And you may take a look at that out the way it seems like. So essentially what he does is he creates a compilation video of this TikTok motion pictures. He is essentially posting them on his YouTube channel. So it is really smooth to do because you do not even want to document these form of motion pictures and you are going to make cash from them. So permits communicate about money element. So basically here you can see this channel that I virtually show you. Men, as I assume this fresh new channel, I want to reveal you that guys that's still so essentially he's getting lots of views from 12 months now. So basically this is a fresh new YouTube channel and he's posting TikTok compilation films on his channel and he has 82 million views. That's clearly a number of viewers. So if we have a look at his social blade stats, we can see that he is getting around 600 to 400,000 views per day. So every so often he's getting 700,000. Occasionally he is getting less, but the least that we are able to see him and his stats is he is making from 500 greenbacks consistent with day to $1,500 in keeping with day. So we can't inform exactly the quantity, but we are able to see that his videos are longer than 10 minutes. So meaning that he can put extra advertisements, which means extra money from his motion pictures. So that is how this channel is making films on YouTube. You can additionally see that he is no longer posting even day by day. I am going to speak approximately that a bit later inside the video. So the subsequent component that you need to do is you want to locate these TikTok motion pictures on this TikTok app and create compilation videos. However, the most crucial component about the way you can monetize this channel is earlier than we talk approximately how to monetize your motion pictures is the most essential element is you to post at least instances every week. So if you could see this channel is genuinely posting one time every week, and that isn't always genuinely that incredible due to the fact you want to be steady. If you are not regular, people are going to neglect about your channel. So here you can see that this guy is posting one time, but I certainly endorse you guys to put up as a minimum 2 times a week to your YouTube channel because you do not want to get forgotten on YouTube. Next issue that we're going to talk approximately is how you are going to make money. So you're going to sign up for AdSense, and after you reach 1,000 subscribers and 40 watch hours, so 4,000 watch hours could be round, let's say 1,000 views. That isn't always genuinely that lots. I assume this is just my opinion. So now not honestly 1,000 AB, 20,000 perspectives or something like that. So that is not certainly that high. However, you can monetize your videos until except you've got 1,000 subscribers and 40 watch hours. So this is something virtually important which you want to recognize earlier than you begin doing this. So what you want to do is you want to start posting movies in your channel, and once you attain 1,000 subscribers and 40 watch hours, you may monetize your channel with commercials. So the most important component is him going to show you some of the examples of this form of movies. So this is also a channel. This is the use of TikTok videos to make money on YouTube. So basically you could see he has this TikTok passed off. He is basically recording the screen. So the most essential element which you need to know is you cannot document copyrighted music. So if you publish copyrighted song, you are going to get demonetized on that, and that is something which you don't want to occur due to the fact if you get the monetize on that video, you cannot make cash from that video. So this is truly something which you want to do not forget. So when you locate the films with tune or something like that, you need to get rid of the music. This is first alternative, and second option is do not use that video. So the instance of this channel that I in reality show you right here, you may see this guy has only 4 to 5 uploads and he is getting heaps and tons of perspectives. So he's making around $300 to $900 in step with day on YouTube from this YouTube channel, and that is not that excessive. That I confirmed you proper now, because the preceding one is making plenty more than that. But you want to don't forget that this channel has handiest 45 motion pictures. So once he commenced submit posting greater always uploads on his channel, he's going to make manner more. So again, we're speaking about the brand new app. This is surely, I think, perhaps 5 months or something like that vintage. So the preceding app that is like TikTok changed into wine. So essentially you may see this channel a cold one. Just as an instance, he has minutes and plenty of subscribers, and even supposing the wine is closed, you can see that this channel is making heaps and lots of cash from this channel. So even if Vine isn't always even working, this guy has compilation videos on his channel and he's creating wealth from that. So right here you spot he's pulling occasionally 1 million perspectives in an afternoon. That is actually lots of perspectives. That is in reality tons and lots of views, and on his channel he has 400 million views. So that is a lot, and you may see there are a number of the huge YouTubers which are using this approach. So here you can see PewDiePie is the use of TikTok truly to make quite a few cash from it. How is he making his cash? He's reacting. So that is also a manner which you can use to make cash on YouTube. So he's basically reacting to TikTok videos, and that is how he is making a living from YouTube. So that is one of the form of the movies that he is truly posting on his channel. He's not posting on it TikTok videos. However, he used this technique to get 12 million views in much less than I suppose a month or so in months. So that is a lot of views. You can see he used the same technique to get 8 million perspectives in a single video, and additionally you may see he once more used the identical video to get 7.1 million in 1 week. So man, that is how you can make money from YouTube, and the maximum essential part is you need to hold your uploads regular. So that is honestly critical, because if you begin uploading 1 video in a month or 2 movies in a month, this is going to be very awful for your channel. So you don't want that to show up. So you need to, as I said, put up as a minimum 2 motion pictures per week, so as to be it for contemporary video. Guys, if you want to see more motion pictures like this, make sure to press the thumbs up button, and additionally, in case you are surely critical approximately getting commenced come to make cash on YouTube, make sure to test out my YouTube direction. The link can be down